Want to convert any video file to another format quickly and flexibly? In this video I'll show you how to do it with FFmpeg and explain every flag so you can customize it for your projects. Make sure FFmpeg is installed. For that, search for command prompt and open it as administrator. Type FFmpeg version. If you see this output, then you are in luck. If your computer doesn't have configured FFmpeg yet, check this detailed video, or the link is given in the description. Now for our example, let me show you the format of the video first. Our file is stored in F drive, in video file folder. Right-click the video. Go to the properties. And the type of video file is .mp4. Now I want to convert this file into .mkv format. Open FFmpeg and type this command. Let us explain each piece. First, FFmpeg. This parameter has to be typed before every FFmpeg command. After that, I is necessary as almost every command. I is used before the input file. In our case, the input file name is firstfile.mp4. The file is stored in F drive in video file folder. The format of input file is MP4. The next is ccopy. This parameter will copy everything of input file like codecs, subtitles, audio to the output file. We want the out to be stored in the same location. You can also give different location. Secondfile.mkv. This part shows the output file name and its format. In this case, the file name is secondfile and the format will be mkv. Remember that space is not allowed in names. If there is space in input or output names, then enclose the file names in inverted commas. After checking every piece of command, now press enter. And the command is successful. If you got any issue, let us know in comment section to find out the problem. Now let us check the output file. There it is. The file name is secondfile. Go to the properties. The format is mkv now. If you like the videos, subscribe the channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.